all my tools. Maybe. Alright, real quick guys, this is Mike once again. I'm listening to a podcast as always. I'm talking at the same time, multitasking. No, I got this concrete mixer I talked about in the previous video, and what I'm going to do here is pour I think this is roughly 18 by 40 inch on the interior for a air conditioned pad. Eventually I'll put some kind of arresters in it, like some kind of rubber underneath the actual unit, the condenser, to reduce the vibration. And yeah, that's all I'm gonna try to work out now real quick, and I'm gonna do a quick time lapse of getting started. And yeah, let's do it. Got my water, got my tools, just smoothing it out to make it look nice. Concrete power mixer, let's go. Alright guys, I'm being real stingy. I don't have much space on this memory card on this GoPro, so I've been skipping around. What I'm gonna do is try to upload some of it real quick to my phone, and that way I can get more clips going, as opposed to just get more clips going, hopefully. But yes, the concrete came out. Yes, this thing is weird. I may not have it positioned properly for the engine, the motor. It's getting a little bit warm, I think, and I also probably overloaded it with more concrete than what it should have. But so far, I think I'm good. I might leave it at the height that I have it right there. That's not a complete 3.5 inches tall, but like I said, it's good enough, you know. It just needs to be a pad, essentially, just to get it up off the ground, keep it from moving around. But yeah, so far my tines might be in the wrong place. And what else? Too much concrete. Motor tightness might be a little bit off, and the angles aren't the best with the concrete amount that I use, so I was losing a lot of concrete, which is what that is over there. I tried to add concrete while I was spinning it, and that was not a good idea as well. So yeah, fun so far. All right guys, we're back on it. We are back on it. I'm pretty sure right now my engine, the little motor on this thing, is probably upwards of 300 degrees. There's my hole there. It is a little rugged. I promise it'll be good. And then I got this over here. I need to come back over here and get a good smooth on it to get the cream off the top. And yeah, just let that sit up. That's it. I might have to do it over here, but I don't know. I got a bag and a half to go.